Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking for new dropshipping tool. Okay, let's go. Click the second link and wow, famous. Dropshipping tool is SuperDS. We look some details about this tool, non-API. This dropshipping tool supports AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Etsy and Walmart. Okay guys, click the join now button and we register now. I am already registered. You can fill this form and register. Okay, I am signing now. Login. This is SuperDS dashboard. We look. It is look like nice. You can know about the upcoming holidays in this dropshipping tool. You can get more coins, use coupon code. This was a coupon code below the description. You can use it. If you want more coin, you can buy some coin. Use credit card or your PayPal account. You can learn more things. Use academic tab. This is the super feature. You can find the best for winning product. Spend your coin. This is cool things. Next tab is on the title builder. You can build SEO title. Use best keyword in this tool. It is very helpful for us. Most valuable tool is Vero Checker. You can type your item name and check if Vero item or not. Let's see how to add this tool for our Chrome browser. Okay, go to Chrome Web Store and click extension and search SuperDS. Here we are. I have already added this tool. You can click here and add to your Chrome browser. Okay guys, let's see how to list item AliExpress to eBay. Now I am in AliExpress. Okay, I am already saved the item. It is vintage original. Okay, let's see how to add this item to eBay. Let's go to SuperDS tool and click. You can choose your quantity, shipping cost and upload. SuperDS tool everything do for you. You can wait few seconds. It is so beautiful. Okay, now complete the listing. You can click list item button and go to online your listing. Let's see online. Okay, we see it is in our listing. It is very easy now. Okay guys, bye bye. Stay safe, stay home. Good luck.